Welcome back to the Union Chronicle. Tom Lister, your PEA president, coming to you on this snowy Monday at the beginning of a long week. Got a lot of news for you today, as usual. An announcement for our early career educators. We're going to do a couple of bowling nights just to celebrate that you've made it through the first semester and we're on the home stretch. So it's going to be at the Chippers on North College, 830 North College. We've got 2 dates planned. We've got Friday, February 21st, and then we'll do it again on Friday, April 17th. It's all free, it's family friendly, it's going to be open house style, so come by anytime between 4 and 8 and bowl a few frames and get some pizza, have a beverage, and just a thank you from PEA for surviving the first semester. For those at the other end of the career spectrum, we're going to be hosting 2 events with Goodwin Financial about transition year, what it is, how to work it. The deadline, if you are interested in doing a transition year, is coming up very quickly to notify the district of that. And so 2 events scheduled for that too. The first one is Wednesday, February 26th at 5 o'clock at the Rocky Mountain High School Media Center. And then we'll do it again on Tuesday, March 3rd, also at 5 o'clock. And that's going to be over at the ITC building in the Aspen room. So yeah, if you are thinking about transition this year or in the next 5 to 7 years, you should attend that just to get some information about it. That's that. Then from the state level, I was down at CEA on Saturday getting all kinds of news and information for you. Just to reiterate, we're going to do wear your Red for Ed on Wednesdays. Wednesdays are going to be our Red for Ed day. And what I'm going to include is a flyer related to the March on the Capitol for March 19th. First of all, what is it we're asking for? And we're asking for secure, livable wages for educators. If you've been following Senate Bill 89 to create a pot of money that would be reserved, guaranteed for increasing teacher salary. The second thing we're asking for is to eliminate the BS factor by 2022 in 3 years. It's been paid down quite a bit, but it is still it's actually over $500 million. And their plan to pay that down this year is $52 million. Not even 10%. We need to get that thing paid off. The state of Colorado needs to fund education as it is constitutionally obligated to do. And the third thing we're asking for is to pass a statewide ballot initiative that would raise enough money to fund K-12 school and eliminate the BS factor for good and fund the educator pay raise fund. That's what we're asking for. And we are doing a slow build up for March 19th. As I've told you, Thursdays are lobby days. I will put in the email again the link to the Sign Up Genius, where folks can leave from the PEA parking lot and go down and pick up folks at the park and ride at Highway 66 from Weld School District, Thompson School District, get to meet some new people, and head down to CEA for the briefing at 8 o'clock, and then across the street to the Capitol, where on Thursdays, both the House and Senate Education Committee are meeting. A new twist on lobby days. We will have a special substitute code for lobby days, and it's a restricted code. You can't put it in, your office manager can't put it in. You've got to send the request to me, and I send it directly to HR. So once again, if you are interested in going to lobby day, sign up on the Sign Up Genius, and it'd also be a good idea to let me know with a personal email, and we'll get you a substitute. What I would need to know is if you've got a preferred substitute that you would like to request. What else? I think that's all I have for you. So, bowling night, transition nights with Goodwin Financial, Red for Ed on Wednesday, and sign up for lobby days. And let's go down on March 19th. I know it's on our spring break. Let's make a picnic out of it. Spend the day in Denver. You can do our morning activities as we kind of storm the Capitol, and then maybe head out to the zoo or to the museum in the afternoon or evening. that's what I've got for you. Take care. Be very careful on the roads today. They are slippery, as I'm sure you know. Talk to you soon.